A clean restaurant builds trust. It's not just about food safety, it's about the guest experience. And they notice everything.
Middle of the dining room, tail end of lunch rush, filthy water, dirty rag. Just sitting there like a sign saying, free E. coli with every meal.
Listen, I was gonna be back in like 5 minutes stop, so I just left the bucket where I can find it again.
Dirty cleaning supplies being visible is a fast way to buck it up with a guest. This is why we're switching to Sani Pro wipes. Quick, clean, and made to be seen. That was really good. You should use that.
I figured it made it look like we're really into sanitizing.
Don't buck it up. Wipe out doubt with Sani Pro.
Honestly, I need a nap.